I'm walking. Ooh, I wonder what Mario's doing. Hey Mario, what are you doing? Oh, nothing. I'm just, like, chilling out. You know, the sun is shining. It's so beautiful out. I want to ride my bike. I know, right? Ooh. Look over there. It's a rubber band. It's peeking up. Ooh, look at that. I have a rubber band. Oh, it's so cool. Look at it. Look at it. It's so metal. Oh my god. Okay. What else should we do, Mario? Let's go talk to Donkey Kong. Okay. Let's go. Hey, Donkey Kong! Hi! I like bananas. I'm going bananas! Here's a little camera. So, Mario, what are you doing? I don't know. I think I'll go outside and play. Nah, you should stay inside. It's kind of cold. Yeah.